हाय एव्हरीबडी, वेलकम बॅक. आता आपलं सध्या इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये बाय पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन आपण आलो आणि बाय पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये काही 3 एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व केलेत. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल्स आपण आता बघूयात. त्याच्यामध्ये 4th एक्झाम्पल जो आहे that I is equal to integration of 2x upon 4 minus 3x 2x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square dx. Now 2x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square here. Put, or we know that 2x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square is equal to, we have to convert this in the form of factors. How we will form this in the form of factors? C minus 4 ones are minus 4 plus 1. I is equal to integration of 2x upon 4 minus 4x plus x minus x square dx. I is equal to integration of 2x upon, this will be 4 in bracket 1 minus x plus x in bracket 1 minus x dx. This will be I is equal to integration of 2x upon 1 minus x in bracket 1 plus 4 plus x. Now 2x upon 1 minus x 4 plus x which is equal to a upon 1 minus x plus b upon 4 plus x. Is that clear? Now 2x is equal to a in bracket 4 plus x plus b in bracket 1 minus x. To find out a, we have to put x is equal to 1. 2 into 1 which is equal to a into 4 plus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 5a plus 0. Therefore a is equal to 2 by 5. We got here a is equal to 2 by 5. For b we have to substitute x is equal to minus 4. Put x is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2 into minus 4 which is equal to a into 4 minus 4 plus b into 1 minus in bracket minus 4 minus 8 which is equal to 0 plus 5b. b is equal to minus 8 by 5. Now I becomes, I is equal to integration of a upon 1 minus x, a 2 by 5 upon 1 minus x plus minus 8 by 5 upon 4 plus x dx. Therefore I is equal to integration of, now see, you can write down like this, 2 by 5 integration of 1 upon 1 minus x dx minus 8 by 5 into integration of 1 upon 4 plus x dx. Therefore I is equal to 2 by 5 into log of mod of 1 minus x whole divided by derivative of 1 0 minus x the derivative minus 1. Now minus 8 by 5 into log of mod of 4 plus x plus c. This is your final answer. In this minus 2 by 5 log of 1 minus x, we can write down minus 2 by 5 1 minus x minus 8 by 5 log of mod of 4 plus x plus c. This is your final answer. Okay, clear? Now next, this is 4th one. Simple as non-repeated linear factors मधला आहे. Denominator is expressed as a non-linear repeated factors. Second part येतो repeated linear factors चा. त्याच्यानंतर 5th क्वेश्चन जो आहे तो पाहूयात आपण काय होतं. Fifth question, x square plus x minus 1. X square plus x minus 1. X square plus x minus 6. This is improper fraction. This is nothing but improper fraction. For that we have to convert this into proper fraction. Okay. Bagana 2 f of x is equal to g of x. The degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. That's why this is an improper fraction. आता improper जर हा जर काय रॅशनल फंक्शन असेल तर आपल्याला याला कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल. इथे एक सिंपल थिंग आहे बघा, इकडे हा -6 करता येतो. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स मायनस 6 प्लस 5. कॅन मी राईट लाईक दिस? म्हणजे हा सिंपल फॉर्म मध्ये आला बघा. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स मायनस 6, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स मायनस 6 प्लस 5 म्हणजेच -1. Therefore I is equal to integration of this divided by this first. X square plus x minus 6 divided by x square plus x minus 6 dx plus 5 into integration of 1 upon. Otherwise you can write down here 5. X square plus x minus 6 dx. Now I is equal to 1 dx plus 5 upon x plus 3 x minus 2 dx. See 3 2s are 6 minus 6 होतो आणि हा as it is of x square plus x minus 6 येतो. बरोबर आहे. Therefore I is equal to x plus, now this one we can consider I1. Therefore phi upon x plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 3 plus b upon x minus 2. Here phi is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3. Now here put x is equal to -3. Phi is equal to a into -3 minus 2 plus 0 here. Minus 5a is equal to 5. Therefore a is equal to -1. We can convert this x plus 3 minus x minus 2. Here we can adjust 5 in the form of x plus 3 minus x minus 2. Okay. It will be a is equal to -1 and put x is equal to 2 here. Phi is equal to a into 0 plus b into 2 plus 3. Phi is equal to 5b. b is equal to 1. Now I1 is equal to integration of -1 upon x plus 3 dx plus integration of 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Therefore I1 is equal to minus log of x plus 3 plus log of x minus 2 plus c. Therefore I is equal to, from 1, x minus log of x plus 3 plus log of x minus 2 plus c, or we can write down this x plus log of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. X minus 2 upon x plus 3. We can write like this. Otherwise you can put as it is x minus log of x plus 3 plus log of x minus 2 plus c. Clear? अशा पद्धतीने हे फिफ्थ वन आहे. क्लिअरली आपण ह्या पद्धतीने करू शकतो जिथं improper fraction आहे तिथं. अदरवाइज we know that we can write in the form of q plus r upon d, है ना. आता आपण काय करायचं बघा. हा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Sixth question. Six x cube plus 5x square minus 7. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7. 3x square minus 2x plus minus 1. Again here f of x, the degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x, therefore this is nothing but a improper fraction or improper rational function. So we can convert this in the form of q plus r upon d by dividing f of x by g of x. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7. Here 3x square minus 2x minus 1. 3, now see, 6x cube upon 3x square, which is equal to 3 2s are x plus x, 2x are na? 2 3s are 6x cube minus 4x square minus 4x minus 2x. Now minus plus plus get cancelled. 5x square plus 4x square, 9x square plus 2x minus 7 here. Now second, 9x square upon 3x square, which is equal to 3 here, plus 3, 3 3 is a 9x square minus 6x minus 3 minus plus plus, both get cancelled. 8x minus 4. Therefore 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 whole divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to quotient plus remainder upon divisor 3x square minus 2x minus 1. This is in the form of q plus r upon d. Clear? Now I is equal to integration of 2x plus 3 plus 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Now I is equal to integration of 2x dx plus 3 into integration of 1 dx plus integration of 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Therefore I is equal to 2x square by 2 plus 3x plus 8x minus 4, 3 1s are 3, 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1 dx. Therefore I is equal to x square plus 3x plus integration of 8x minus 4 whole divided by 3 common, 3x common, x minus 1 plus 1 common, bracket x minus 1 dx. This will be I is equal to x square plus 3x plus integration of 8x minus 4 whole divided by x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 dx. Now I is equal to x square plus 3x plus I1 here. Therefore I1 is equal to 8x minus 4 upon x minus 1 3x plus 1 dx. Now 8x minus 4 upon x minus 1 3x plus 1, which is equal to a upon x minus 1 upon b upon 3x plus 1, a into 3x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1, 8x minus 4 is equal to, put x is equal to 1, 8 minus 4, which is equal to a into 3 plus 1 plus 0, 4 is equal to 4a, therefore a is equal to 1. Therefore put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore 8 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 0, plus b into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 20 by 3 minus 8 minus 12 minus 20 upon 3, which is equal to minus 4 by 3 b. 3 cancel, b is equal to 5. Therefore I1 is equal to integration of a upon x minus 1, 1 upon x minus 1 plus 5 upon 3x plus 1 dx. I1 is equal to log of mod of x minus 1 plus 5 into log of mod of 3x plus 1 upon 3 plus c. I1 is equal to log of mod of x minus 1 plus 5 by 3 log of mod of 3x plus 1 from 1. I is equal to x square plus 3x plus log of mod of x minus 1 plus 5 by 3 into log of mod of 3x plus 1 plus c. This is nothing but the answer of 6th question, which has which one? जो कोण असेल फ्रॅक्शन आहे, पण कसला फ्रॅक्शन आहे? डिग्री इज ग्रेटर दॅन डिनॉमिनेटर, न्यूमरेटरची डिग्री ग्रेटर दॅन, म्हणजे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन आहे. तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 3x प्लस लॉग ऑफ x मायनस 1 प्लस 5 by 3 log of 3x plus 1 plus c. दिस इज योर फायनल आन्सर. ओके, आता हा झाला 6 नंबर. आता 7 नंबर. समजलं का? इथं हा डिवाइड करायचा, त्या पद्धतीने आन्सर्स कसं काढायचं हे लक्षात आलं असेल. घरी पुन्हा एकदा सॉल्व्ह करून बघा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. 7. 12x square minus 2x minus 9. 12x square minus 2x minus 9. Upon 4x square minus 1 x plus 3. X plus 3. I is equal to integration of 12 9s are 108 येतो. हा 2 आहे. हा 4 काढला तर काय होणार आहे 3. We can split that minus 9 in the form of, here we can take as a 3 minus 2x minus 6, then this will be 4x square minus 1 x plus 3. See, 12x square minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 असा आहे, तो आहे कसा राहिला. I is equal to integration of 3 कॉमन काढा, 4x square minus 1 minus 2 कॉमन काढा, minus 2x plus 3 whole divided by 4x square minus 1 x plus 3 dx. आता हा दोघांना सेपरेटली द्या. I is equal to integration of 3 into 4x square minus 1 whole divided by 4x square minus 1 into x plus 3 dx minus 2 into integration of x plus 3 upon 4x square minus 1x plus 3 dx. I is equal to 3 into integration of 1 upon x plus 3 dx minus 2 into integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 dx. I is equal to 3 into log of mod of x plus 3 minus 2 times of integration of 1 upon 4 into x square minus 1 by 4 dx. I is equal to 3 into log of mod of x plus 3 minus 2 by 4 into integration of 1 upon x square minus 1 by 2 whole bracket square dx. I is equal to 3 into log of mod of x plus 3 minus 1 by 2 into integration of Ravdit Karan ka log of 1 upon x square minus a square is nothing but x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Now I is equal to 3 times of log of mod of x plus 3 minus half into log of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. Square root मध्ये टाकला तरी चालतो. Again answer will be 3 log x plus 3. 3 log x plus 3 minus half into log of 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1. हा minus है. आणि याला प्लस करायचं असेल तर 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 खाली. This is your final answer. Otherwise you can write down 3 log of x plus 3 plus log of mod of 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1. लक्षात आलं का बघा? मायनस दिला, मायनस ज्यावेळी आत देतो त्यावेळी तो उलटा होतो. तर रेसिप्रोकल येतो त्याचा. ठीक आहे, या पद्धतीने इथं आन्सर आलं. नेक्स्ट 1 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1. I is equal to integration of 1 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. X raised to 5 plus 1. Correct. We can convert this in the form of x raised to 5 plus 1 minus x raised to 5 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. So we can write down here x raised to 5 plus 1 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx minus integration of x raised to 5 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. Now this will be I is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx minus integration of x raised to 4 upon x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. Is that clear? आता काय होणार? याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथं आहे, म्हणजे I is equal to log of x आला minus I1 is equal to integration of x raised to 4 upon x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. Put x raised to 5 plus 1 is equal to t. 5x raised to 4 dx is equal to dt. X raised to 4 dx is equal to 1 by 5 dt. Therefore I is equal to log x. आता हा काय होणार आहे? I is equal to नको, इथं I1 is equal to घ्या. I1 is equal to integration of x raised to 4 dx 1 by 5 dt. 1 by 5 1 upon t dt. This will be I1 is equal to 1 by 5 log of t plus c. Therefore I1 is equal to 1 by 5 log of mod of x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c. Therefore I is equal to log x minus I1 1 by 5 into log of mod of x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c. Log x 1 by 5 log of, आता इकडे हा कोण आहे? 1 by 5 log of x raised to 5. क्लियर है का? SS we can give that I is equal to 5 into 1 by 5 log x minus 1 by 5 log of x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c म्हणजे I is equal to 1 by 5 mod आता x raised to 5 होणार log x raised to 5 log of x raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c असं होणार. कन्वर्ट करू शकता तुम्ही कसंही, फक्त काय की तुम्हाला समजलं पाहिजे की व्हॉट इज दॅट अँड हाऊ टू राईट दॅट एक्झाम्पल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, है ना. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 9th one 2x square minus 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 9x raised to 2 plus 20. 2x square minus 1 9th one I is equal to integration of 2x square minus 1 whole divided by x raised to 4 plus 9x square x raised to 4 plus 9x square plus 20 dx. I is equal to integration of 2x square minus 1 proper fraction है इथं x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 2 plus 4x raised to 2 plus 20 बनायचा dx. therefore I is equal to integration of 2x square minus 1 whole divided by x square plus 5 आणि x square plus 4 dx. x square कॉमन काढला तर x square plus 5 होतं आणि इथं x square कॉमन काढला 4 कॉमन काढला तर x square plus 5 येतं मग x square plus 5 आणि x square plus 4 आला. therefore 2x square minus 1 upon x square plus 5 and x square plus 4 which we can write in the form of, see हा कोण आहे a upon x square plus 5 plus b upon x square plus 4 डायरेक्टली यूज करा परवासारखं की put x square is equal to minus 5 x square is equal to minus 4. otherwise you can see 2t minus 1 x square is equal to put x square is equal to t. what will happen to this 2t t plus 5 t plus 4 which is equal to a upon t plus 5 and t plus 4. therefore a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 5 2t minus 1 put t is equal to minus 5 therefore minus 11 minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 which is equal to minus 5 plus 4 minus a. therefore a is equal to 11. put t is equal to minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 which is equal to 0 plus b into minus 4 plus 5 1 b is equal to minus 9. therefore 2t minus 1 upon t plus 5 into t plus 4 dx integration of a upon a that is equal to 11 by t plus 5 plus the minus 9 by t plus 4 dx. t ची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करा 2x square minus 1 upon x square plus 5 into x square plus 4 dx which is equal to 11 into integration of 1 upon x square plus 5 dx minus 9 into integration of 1 upon x square plus 4 dx. now this will be 11 into log of mod of, otherwise you can write this in the form of 1 upon x square plus root 5 whole bracket square dx minus 9 into integration of 1 upon x square plus 2 square dx. I 1 upon x square plus a square 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a minus 9 into tan inverse of 1 upon a that is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x upon a plus c. therefore 11/√5 tan inverse of x upon √5 minus 9/2 tan inverse of x/2 plus c. दिस इज अ फायनल आन्सर. क्लिअर. बघा याच्यामध्ये टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये काय दिलं आन्सर, व 11/√5 tan inverse of x/2 minus 9/2 tan inverse of x/2 plus c. आपला काय आला त्या 11 ओके x/√5 ऐवजी त्यांचा काय आला बुकमध्ये x/2 आहे तर नाही आहे. आपला आन्सर x/√5 म्हणजे दिस इज द करेक्ट. 11/√5 tan inverse of x/√5 minus 9/2 tan inverse of x/2. देअर आन्सर इज रॉंग. इथं 2 आलाय त्यांचा, तो चुकून पडलाय टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये. हे आपलं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आपण इथून पुढे थोडं या पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करणार आहोत टी वगैरे घेऊन. पुढे पुढे आपण याच पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करू. मला असं वाटतं की तुम्ही 10th 1 सॉल्व्ह करा. बुकमध्ये मी बघितलं सॉल्व्ह करून त्याच्यामध्ये थोडासा फरक आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पण थोडासाच गफलत आहे. 2 times of log x plus 1x minus 1 5 upon √2 मायनस आणि प्लस मध्ये तुमचा मायनस आला तर बरोबर असेल. 10th 1 तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. 11th सुद्धा तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. म्हणजे नको 11th मधून जो आहे 11th चा एक्झाम्पल आहे तो मी घेतो. 10th 1 तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. 11 12 13 मी घेतो. 13 पण तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ठीक आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आणि आता सिलेबस पण काहीतरी 25% कमी आला आहे. लक्षात येईल तुमच्या की कोणकोणतं नाही आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.